they call this hip hop. Fall on the flow, water goes drip drop. People think about smoking chronic, drinking liquor. Rappers do it, lyrics spill a little quicker. That ain't what we can or do. That's right. If hip hop keeps it up, we gon' be here to fight. Hip hop didn't teach me murder, drugs and drinking. It taught me freedom and how we supposed to be thinking. Taught me to make choices, then never look back. Live my life and spit it on a dope track. Left imperfect, God will make many mistakes. A little hard work, yeah, it's all it really takes. Never let the shit in life slow you down. Like every step you take, your foot gains 5 pounds. Let it go, move on, then forgive yourself. Life's about how you gonna express yourself.